I filmed this at Michael's. I was so impressed with all the different color combinations that they had for these glitterific confetti paint that I had to show you guys all the different colors. I think I'm going to have to go back and buy a couple more. They're just so much fun. So here is the next painting with the previous colors I already have. Okay, I am covering up this mess with this mess. I just did two 10x10s with this fun confetti glitter paint. It is by FolkArt. I call it confetti paint. It doesn't actually say that on there, but I think it is. It has this, it's kind of clear and it leaves behind this really cool glitter in different shapes. So it was on the table, left over from the two pours I did before, and I scraped it all up. I put it in here. I added a couple of other colors, some pale pink, some light violet, some Amsterdam turquoise blue, some Pebeo interference violet blue, and I'm gonna flip it and cover this up. If I don't like what this turns into, because this might actually be a little clumpy from that glitter paint, that's fine, because I'm going to cover it up with an image if I don't like it. So here is my flip cup. I might need more paint, and I'm okay with that if that's what I need. Here we go. Okay, I did go back in there and add some more of this in there because I just want to liven it up. This mixture is definitely different than the one that I used in the previous paintings. This one. So this one is definitely chunkier than this one is. This one is definitely lighter. This one is what you see. This one actually has these weird gold fleck, like little like sticks, confetti, glitter, you know, I don't know how to say it. And it's super, super chunky. So I am probably going to have a couple chunky spots over here, which is fine. Like I said, I knew this was going to be textured. I kind of have a plan for this, but I really hope that it dries how it looks right now, because right now there are little flecks of glitter popping up underneath some of those lighter purple areas. That is just so cool. I cannot wait to see what this looks like dry. So stay tuned. This was a lot of fun. I was just, you know, using up some leftover paint and playing around with that confetti glitter, which that's not what it's called. It is called FolkArt Glitterific Pop, and I'm calling it confetti paint. So stay tuned for the dried results. I am super excited to see what these look like dry, or see what this looks like dry. Stay tuned. So this is just awesome. I mean, this is so cool. I cannot wait to play around with more of these confetti glitter, which, by the way, it's still not called confetti, and I keep calling it that. But that did not sink down at all. I was gonna do something like maybe put a saying on it or do a design, but honestly, I can't touch it. It's just so cool the way it is. It literally looks like the inside of a geode. I feel like this is like a unicorn geode. Like, it just has those vibes, those fun, sparkly vibes. So I hope you liked this project. There are many more like this coming. See you soon.